Hi, this is Vicki Skinner, the non-domestic goddess, aka the Sarong goddess, coming at you today from Escazú, Costa Rica, and giving you another hint that makes life easier and or saves you some money. And in this case, it does both, but it also makes you the hit of the party. What I do is I get this Ghiradelli Triple Chocolate brownie mix, which you get 6 in a packet at PriceSmart, which is similar to Costco. It's a lot of the same products. And it's like 7,400 colones, less like $14 for 6 packets. So it's nothing. And these Starlight mints are so good. I've had a hard time finding like candy canes that have any flavor in Costa Rica. I've been here over 11 and a half years now. But these actually have the strongest flavor I've found. I get these at Pequeño Mundo, 48 ounces, 3 pounds or 1.36 kilos for only 3,000 colones, which is not even $6. So I just make up the brownie mix. Sometimes, actually, if I don't have the candy, I use doTERRA peppermint oil because it's therapeutic grade, so you can ingest it. And it is strong, but oh my God, I love peppermint. Anyway, so I break up a bunch of the little Starlight mints and into little pieces. And then I also put a bunch of the big chunk one, the whole thing in it, and mix it in with the brownie mix. Bake it. And if I'm trying to impress someone, then I'll put a bunch of the dust from it on top and such. But these, today's December 25th, Christmas Day. I actually don't celebrate holidays because I celebrate every day. But there are a lot of guards overseeing the different condo and projects, home projects around here. So last night, Odie, the dog, my little fur buddy that I'm watching, and I went for a walk and gave the mint candies to the guards that were working on Christmas Eve. And today we're going to take some of the brownies to them with the peppermints, both for the day crew and the night. Because you know what, a lot of these guys are lucky if they're making $2 an hour. I'm sure they're not getting double time, which is what the law says, but I'm sure a lot of these are illegals anyway. So I just want to, kind of let them feel. Oh, and the other thing is a lot of them are from Nicaragua, so they're away from their families and such. So anyway, you know what? It's so easy to step outside of yourself and do something nice for someone else. And it really, made these people just were so grateful. But so here's the brownies. Let me show you a little closer. That now, warning, that does settle to the peppermint chunks settle to the bottom and makes it a little bit harder. I like mine kind of mushy, but anyway, literally when I go to parties, I almost always make the Ghiradelli brownies. They're so good and so moist, and it's triple chocolate. So this is both cheap as well as a fun thing, festive, but it's something you can have year round. Hope you enjoy it. Ciao.